Let's find Buddy Ball, a beginner reader story from the Baby Learners TV Readers series. Meet Ben. Meet Bella. They have a happy little puppy. His name is Buddy. Bella is a girl. Ben is a boy. Buddy is a dog. Buddy has a red ball. Buddy loves his ball. Ben has an idea. Let's play a game, says Ben. He hides the red ball inside a big blue pot. Buddy wants to find it. Bella smiles. Ready, Buddy? She asks. Let's play hot and cold.
Where is the ball? Is it under the chair? Buddy looks there. You are cold, says Ben. Where is the ball? Is it beside Bella? Buddy looks there. You are getting warm, says Ben. Where is the ball? Is it inside the big blue pot? Buddy runs to the pot. You are hot, says Bella. Buddy looks inside. He finds the red ball. Buddy brings the ball to Ben and Bella. Everyone is happy. Buddy wags his tail. He wants to play again. Ben laughs. Bella laughs. Ready? Says Ben. Let's play hot and cold one more time. The game begins again. The end.